The next item on our list is testimonials. So almost every site these days has a lot of testimonials. So you just like testimonial text here. Then you add a photo of the person who's giving the testimonial. Then you add their name and maybe some website. And you can just like duplicate this and you have, and the testimonials like pricing, they come with a lot of styles. So you can like select a different style, whatever is best for your page. There are almost like 50 different styles you can choose from. And you don't have to type the data again and again. You can choose like a different style. And apart from these styles, there's also this option to show them in a carousel. So you just select this, and now these testimonials are in a carousel format. It's very popular on some sites, and you can like show these arrows or these indicators here.